Greetings and welcome to a new video. So here is an updated guide on how to install Trollstore 2 on all your MDC and KFD devices using the latest version of Misaka, which is Misaka 8 or higher. So what's new in this updated guide? So let's first of all talk about compatibility. So now you can install Trollstore 2 using Misaka on iOS 16.6.1 and lower. Previously it was up to iOS 16.6 beta 1 and older. So yes, now you can install Trollstore 2 on iOS 16.5.1, 16.6, 16.6.1, and at the time of making this video iOS 17.0 does not have an installation method, so it will not be supported on iOS 17.0. The method shown in this video along with Misaka and Trollstore 2 is completely free. Also, we will be using Sideloadly. Sideloadly is also completely free. So first of all, head to the official GitHub page for Misaka, and under releases you can see we have the latest release Misaka 8, and you can see it also now supports Apple TV. So if you want to use Misaka on Apple TV, you will get this IPA file, or if you want to use it on an iPhone or iPad, you will get this IPA file. So if I check releases, just to confirm, you can see that yes, it should work now with added support on iOS 16.5.1 through iOS 16.6.1 on all your MDC and KFD supported devices. So once you have the latest IPA for Misaka, so go to the official website for Sideloadly, and here you will find everything you need to use Sideloadly. First of all, install iTunes from here and iCloud from here. These are the official links, and then you can get and install Sideloadly from here on your Windows PC. Now guys, to save your time, I already installed Misaka using Sideloadly. As you can see it right here, it was a success, and you can see the app right on my home screen. To install it, you will simply select the IPA from here, type in your Apple ID, any Apple ID should work, and then hit start, put in your password for your Apple ID, and done. Alright guys, so now we are on device. Before you can open Misaka, you will have to go to settings and then go to general, then scroll all the way down to device management and trust the app from here. Also on iOS 16, you will have to go to privacy from settings, then scroll all the way down to enable the developer mode. Developer mode will only appear when you have installed the app. Alright, and then from here you can turn it on, restart your device, and you are good to go. Now you can open Misaka. You will see this message on your MDC devices. Alright, and on your KFD devices you will see a message like K open. Just hit open and it should work. So now you have made sure that Misaka opens and everything works. Now you will have to delete your tips app if you have installed it. If you didn't, please install it first. So you can simply remove the app first. Alright, go to App Store and reinstall the tips app to make sure that the process goes smoothly. So search for tips and then hit the cloud icon and install it from here. Alright, it is installed, as you can see it right here. Now you can open Misaka again, then from here go to packages. Alright, and then hit this button, this blue button, and then you will see install Trollstore right here. Go to it, and then you will see the Trollstore installer. So you can install the Trollstore helper into tips or books. So I will suggest tips. Just tap it and you will see done. Hit OK. Now go back home and then simply open the tips app, and you will see that it is now the Trollstore helper. Also, if the tips app is now crashing, you can simply restart your device. Please turn it off and restart it, and then the tips app should open. Now from here, simply install Trollstore. So it is installing Trollstore, and the device should automatically respring, and when you go in you will see Trollstore right on your home screen. Now open Trollstore and it will automatically install LDID, and then I'll show you how to install the persistence helper. Alright, now go to settings and then from here install persistence helper, and then I recommend using tips. You can use tips. Alright, so as you can see it is installed into tips. Now when you open tips you can see it is now the persistence helper. Now to test Trollstore and to see if it works, I will open it, hit the plus button and install an IPA. For this test I have this No Jailbreak IPA. Just install. Alright, and you can see it worked, and now you can see that we can open the app just fine without any issues. Now lastly I will reboot my device and see if our installed apps and Trollstore works. So I am switching it off and we will restart it. Alright guys, I have rebooted my device and you can see that everything works just fine. Trollstore, the persistence helper, for example tips, and the installed apps. Also, if your installed apps are crashing, you can simply open your persistence helper and then refresh app registrations. From here your device should respring, and then now your apps should open without any issues. That's all for this video guys. If you still have issues, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.